Okay, are the Nike SBs dead already? Short answer is no, and the good news is you can easily add these cool sneakers for your summer rotation at retail price. Dubbed as the Noise Aqua, this SB features contrasting orange and teal tones inspired by the Japanese color combo dictionary, hence the numbering under the tongue. Hey boss, Pinimanchaf here, and for today's video let's talk about the build quality of the Noise Aqua. At the same time, I will be sharing as well my personal opinion on how to style them. The good thing is Nike SBs are not really hard to pull off due to its streetwear look and vibe. As stated by Nike, this is a premium version and you can really see it on the base, which are made of Noise Aqua hairy suede leather, while the overlays are in orange. The dark emerald swooshes is nicely executed and the mesh linings remain in aqua color. Now, if you're watching this channel since the beginning, you can really notice that I always considered the Nike SBs as Nike's best value sneakers due to its high quality materials, and the Noise Aqua is not an exception. I really think this is a very well constructed sneakers which is summer ready because of the lemon yellow outsole. Now let's talk about styling. As I have said, you will have no issues with these sneakers due to its low cut silhouette. Although I'm not really into skateboarding, I like wearing my SBs with short neutral colored pants just to be on the safe side. A loose t-shirt would be a nice complement as well to complete that casual skater look. Now if you want to rock them with pants, really doesn't matter if you're going for the baggy or the tapered look, but this time I would go for the baggy style. But later on I will be showing you as well how it looks with tapered pants. As always, due to its Zoom Air unit in the insoles coupled with thick paddings, the SBs always feel comfortable and snug when you are wearing them. I always remain true to size on any SBs, but if you're a big and wide-footed guy, I always recommend to go a half size up because this feels snug due to its thick paddings. I really recommend this to add this up into your rotation because in my opinion this is a very well constructed and also really feels premium on hand. But some people or some sneakerheads says that this is super loud, but to me, I really like these sneakers and it's just perfect for summer. It's retailing right now at 120 euros here in Germany and it's really easy to cop, so I don't think that's a problem. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and as always, I will see you on the next one. Peace.